Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kree if you are new to my channel, and on my channel I do hair and makeup. In this video I will be showing you how I customize a frontal and basically be showing you what can go wrong and telling you what hairdressers and YouTubers actually don't tell you when you're doing a frontal. So these are the products you will be needing. I'm going to dive straight into it. First of all, I'm going to show you what a knot is, because you need to know what a knot is to know what you're bleaching. Let's zoom in. So these black dots that you can see on the lace is what you call a knot, and that is connected to the hair. These are the things that you need to be bleaching, and if you've done a good job bleaching it, these knots will no longer be there. I have then gone ahead and measured out 3 scoops of the blue powder and 3 scoops of the peroxide. Now this is a guesstimate. I'm not really giving you the correct measurements, but you basically want to mix it until it's runny enough that it doesn't drip. Does that make any sense? It's thick, but it's runny. Right, now when it comes to putting it on the frontal, I find it best using a knife because everyone knows how to spread peanut butter. So you basically spread it on like it's peanut butter, and you want to make sure that the spread is hugging the knots so you can see it on the other side. Once you are finished spreading your peanut butter, you want to leave that on there for about half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour, and then wash it out with the blue shampoo. Alright, I'm not about to leave you waiting whilst I go and wash out anything. I've already washed it and I'm back. Now as you can see, if we look closely, you can still see a few black dots in there. It's not as bad as what it was before, but I can still see it, meaning it's going to need another bleach. Whereas a lot of hairstylists and a lot of hairdressers who you are learning from won't necessarily tell you that you need to double bleach, and they'll make it just seem like it's really quick, easy, simple, and then you've done it and it's like, hold on a second, how comes it's not working? Well, you do sometimes need to double bleach. As you can see, I've already started plucking. When you do start plucking, you need to do it in sections. Obviously I haven't started doing it in sections, but that's just the way I'm plucking. Whereas with you, I want you to do it in sections, because then you can see where you need to go, the improvement, not the improvement, what's the word? It basically just shows you where you need to go. When you see one section that you've done, then you can go by that section and move on to the next of how much you actually need to pluck. Right, when you're plucking, please don't over pluck the front of the hairline. The hairline, you need the hairline, especially I am a person that really likes baby hairs. So if you're a person that likes baby hairs, then do not over pluck the hairline. In parts where I'm plucking, it probably looks as though I am balding the hair, but I'm actually not. Basically, my hair at the front is not thick, so I don't really want to have a really thick hairline and then my actual hair isn't thick. So you, like, the whole purpose of a frontal is for it to look realistic, right? If you were to slick down the hair and you have like this really thick hairline, then it's not going to look realistic at all. Okay, so in between plucking, I always go in with a hot comb to push back the hairline so I can see how much I've done and how much I need to do. So the hairline at the top looks about done, right? But the bottom by the ear is not done, so we need to go back in and pluck that as well. When I'm plucking, if I can see a black knot over the rest of the hair, I would more than likely pick the black knot to pluck rather than any other one, because we really don't want to see any black knots in the scalp. We don't have no black knots in our scalp, so we don't want to have no black knots in the frontal. I'm going to continue plucking over the whole of the head and making sure that all of it is even. And then, like I said, I needed to re-bleach the knots. So I'm going to quickly do that and then I'm going to come back. So as I've done that, I'm now going to just take the blow dryer and I am going to start styling. If I do see a black knot, I generally do pluck it out, but I don't want to do that. But yeah, let's just get into it. Guys, are you guys not just loving this outcome? And I haven't even done any baby hairs. I ain't put nothing, I haven't pulled, sorry, it's like I can't even speak. I haven't pulled anything through. I am literally just hot combing what I plucked. Ah! I love it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the comb, the tail comb, and we're gonna do a C shape. Like, there's no baby hair. I don't feel like baby hairs come from a straight line. I mean, maybe some people's baby hairs do, but I just feel like it looks more realistic when it's like kind of like curved. Also, if you do a C shape on either side, you kind of create yourself a little widow's peak. I don't know if you guys know that, but yeah. But basically, what you want to do, create a little C shape and then hot comb that little bit forward. You can do this wherever you feel fit that you want to have baby hairs. I generally do the temples and sideburns, but it's completely up to you. But yeah guys, this concludes my little customization. What do you guys think? Do you like the outcome? Let me know what you think in the comments. Please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Like, you know, all that good stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. I think I've spoken enough. Thank you for watching though guys. Thank you, and be sure to watch my next video.